RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav has filed his nomination papers from Raghopur seat. This is a family bastion where his parents have also won in the past. He himself is a two-time MLA from Raghopur and is hoping to complete a hat-trick. On your screens are those visuals where he is accompanied by former chief ministers, that is his parents, Lalu Prasad Yadav and Rabri Devi. Let's get a soundbite of Tejasvi on this and then we get in my colleague Prabhakar for more update and perspective.
लगातार 2 बार से राघोपुर की जनता जो है हम पर भरोसा की है और जनता जो है मालिक है और ये तीसरी बार जो है हमने नामांकन जो है राघोपुर से की है और मुझे पूरा भरोसा है कि राघोपुर की जनता जो है इस बार पुनः जो है उस पर विश्वास करेगी और हमारा एक संकल्प है और जो संकल्प है आपको भी पता है कि कोई ऐसा परिवार ना बचे, यानी हर एक परिवार के पास एक सरकारी नौकरी हो। बेरोजगारी को जड़ से हमको मिटाना है, बिहार को आगे ले जाना है।
All right, that was Tejasvi Yadav after he filed his nomination papers from Raghopur. It was a massive show of support. Large RJD supporters in large numbers were present there. As I said, this is a family bastion and this sends out a message to the cadre, charge them up even as seat sharing formula within the Mahagathbandhan is yet to be sealed. Just 3 days left for nomination papers to be filed for the first phase of Bihar elections. Prabhakar, my colleague who's been tracking this story, has his ear to the ground, gets us all the big exclusive and big scoops of this election. Over to you. Fill us in. It was a massive show of support. Large number of RJD supporters there. It's a family bastion. Even as the bickering as far as those tough negotiations seem to continue with regard to seat sharing.
Yeah, whenever this show of strength actually happens, especially with the members of Lalu family, they're never short of numbers. So the supporters come in and throng the place in thousands. This is the Hajipur district collector office. I could just show you around, though the crowd has almost dispersed, but just few minutes back, Tejasvi Yadav filed his nomination from this very place, from Raghopur. This was the campus where he came to file his nomination, and Raghopur happens to be a Yadav bastion. This has been with the Lalu family for last so many decades. And remember, seeing the population percentage out here, it's 60% of this entire population is Yadav dominated. So that's the reason. That's considered the safest seat for Lalu family. So Rabri Devi was contesting from here, and now the baton has been handed over to Tejasvi Yadav, and he has filed his nomination as we speak. He has just walked out of this campus. Now, talking about the seat sharing numbers within India Alliance, there are last minute ironing which needs to be done, and that is actually being done. We have seen statements coming from various quarters, especially the left party is not happy by the fact that their numbers have not been increased. They were demanding more seats than 29, which they contested in last 2020 elections. And also Mukesh Sahni, who wanted a bigger share for whatever reasons, I mean, known to him, but he wanted some astronomical number like 30 seats for himself, though it's a very new party in the fray. So Tejasvi Yadav is trying to sort out his differences with Congress, with other alliance partners, and today they will be announcing the numbers, the seat numbers, and also the candidates. Remember, today is 15th and 17th happens to be the last day for filing nomination for the first phase. So there's no time left. There's hardly any time left. It's just 3 days to go. 1 day has already passed. So just 2 more days to go. So they have to settle this at any cost. There's no other way out actually.